Where do you raise money for real estate? There's a few different groups you're going to hit right away. Number one is your friends and family. So you're going to reach out to everyone on your phone, you tell them about what you're doing, and start talking to them about investment opportunities. Remember, you're not selling people anything. You're offering people an opportunity to invest in a real estate deal. If you're new at this, it's probably going to be hard for people to trust you at first. Maybe better to partner with an operator who has a lot more experience than you do. And that way you can rely on their track record to boost your credibility. The second group you're going to go to, referrals from secondary contacts. If you've already been raising money for real estate or you already have a couple deals, ask the people who invested with you to refer their friend. Ask the people in your phone, your friends and family, hey, do you know anyone who would be interested in an investment like this? It's a third party providing a little bit more credibility for you because this third party is now referring them to you. The next group you're going to go to, social media accounts. You should be posting on social media about the deals. The next, meetup groups, your local RIA. These are great places to meet investors. When you're in these groups, there's hundreds of people in there that are already looking to invest in real estate or already invest. For the multifamily and self-storage space that we're in, a lot of people have no idea about private placements. It's not something that they've been exposed to. So you might find yourself educating a lot of people. And generally when people are learning something from you, they're going to want to invest with you because you've built trust by educating them on this subject. Next, local, your regional, your national events. Grant Cardone events, Brad Sumrok events, Hunter Thompson's events. There's a bunch of different events for real estate investors. I started here locally in Milwaukee. I worked my way out into Chicago, Kenosha, Madison, and then we're gonna get into these national events like the Growth Conference down in Florida. That's a huge event. People from all over the country and all over the world attend it. So we're gonna be talking about our real estate deals at these events. One of the other things to notice is you don't just have to go to real estate events. You can go to events that are for doctors, for attorneys, for engineers. They are generally looking for alternative investments. Finally, real estate clubs. When you're at the level where you're raising millions of dollars, you're going to want to be involved in some sort of real estate club, mentorship group, where you're going to be able to network with other people who are also doing big things. We started in Cardone's real estate club, and through that club, we've been able to expand our portfolio that we wouldn't have had access to prior to joining one of these private clubs. The only way you do deals is by talking to people. The only way you can raise money is by talking to people. So get comfortable being uncomfortable, get out there, build your network, and soon enough, you're going to be able to fund all of your deals